Rose family, it's your girl Serenity, and we're back with another vlog. So I took a shower, washed my hair because it's been a while since I washed it, not even gonna lie. And I did get layers I did get layers cut into it, so it's a bit all over the oh yeah. So it's a bit all over the place, so I'm gonna probably straighten it, and I might do that on camera with you guys just so you can see like the transformation. Also, this makeup look will be up. I will try to leave it linked up here or up here somewhere when it's up. I use the Bare Necessities palette from ColourPop, and sis, that palette is life. Also, since I took a shower, I'm really comfortable. I'm wearing my Minion like pajama oversized shirt, so don't come for me. I love me some Minions. But yeah, my hair is looking pretty dry, but I let it air dry and it feels really soft. So yeah, also you hear Blake in the background because we had a gate that cuts off the living room from the rest of the apartment, and we've decided to just let him roam around the house. You know, we just have to be extra precautious with stuff. Like, the first thing he went for was the stove knobs, so we had to remove those so he doesn't turn them on and off. But overall everything is like picked up, so he can't like, you know, do anything crazy with anything dangerous. Like any sharp stuff is pushed back high up. We swept because he will try to put anything he finds in his mouth, so like everything is nice and clean. So you will hear him running around a bit more, which I don't mind because he seems like genuinely happier. And I don't feel like just leaving him secluded in one room in my apartment. I mean, that one room has all his toys, so it's a bit of a struggle, but we have TVs in all of our rooms. As you can see, he's like trying to touch the cable box and he's watching TV. I got it on mute. Let me unmute it. He's watching Peppa Pig, but yeah, so that's a little update with him. I honestly just love watching him run around like a little wild animal. It's incredible. Like, he can have fun on his own, I swear. So yeah, I'm probably gonna straighten my hair in a few. I just wanted to start this vlog. This is probably gonna be like a 2-day vlog because my sister's birthday was yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, on the 21st. Today's the 22nd. And we're celebrating tomorrow, so I will be filming a whole get ready with me tomorrow in like vlog style. So not too in-depth like as far as makeup goes, just like it'll be speedy. I'm not gonna say anything. I'll leave everything in the description bar. But yeah, I'm gonna start to straighten my hair in a few minutes, and that's also gonna be like time-lapse or, you know, fast forwarded. So yeah, I am really in love with this makeup though. Like, soft glam is it. So I put it in a ponytail for now. I know I look crazy, but also wanted to show you guys my new set. This is still the nails from when I tried the Nail Supply Glamour acrylic system. Of course, you know, I do my own nails. I do plan on getting a degree. I do plan on getting a degree in cosmetology so that I can get licensed to become a nail technician. That is my passion, and I love everything beauty, makeup, nails, skincare especially. But this is my new set. I did a fill. I did use the monomer. I just switched the powder. I did use the same monomer, the odorless monomer, and I added some acetone to it. I did like a 50-50 ratio, and it worked like a dream. It didn't take too long to set. That's Blake jumping. And I used the Sally's Beauty clear powder just to switch it up to see if the monomer worked with different powder, and it does. So if you're looking into getting the Nail Supply Glamour odorless monomer, just add acetone. It sets faster and it works great. Like, these nails didn't even freaking lift. So yeah, one did pop off because when I was at work I dropped a box on my nail, and that will pop a nail off. If you don't know, I work in a warehouse for Target, and I move boxes literally for 12 hours or like 10 hours because we get an hour break. 10 plus hours of me moving boxes, and if I drop a heavy box on my nail, it will break the nail. The majority of the time it doesn't. I did make this The one that popped off was a bit on the thin side. This one is a lot. Oh, the middle finger, I'm not trying to flip you guys off, but this finger right here is a lot thicker now, and I made them all a bit more thicker, so they're a lot more sturdier now, and I'm obsessed. And since Valentine's Day is coming up, I decided to go pink. I had my boyfriend pick 2 pink colors out of my pink gel polishes, the new ones that I received, because I've been dying to play around with them, and he picked these 2 colors, and I think he did a great job. And I just added some bling, some crystals, some rhinestones, whatever you want to call them, and I'm obsessed. So most likely the next clip is going to be me straightening this poof of mine, this mop hair that I got. Like, I really want to wear my hair natural curly, but it's like I gotta find the right products to style it, because when I do my hair curly, I put a lot of products to hold the curls in place. Because when I was younger, I did get a Japanese perm. My uncle got it for me for like my elementary school prom, I think, or middle school prom. He took me, or his girlfriend, because she was Asian at the time, took me to go get it like straightened, like Asian hair straightened, like pin straight. I would get in the water and come out and it'd be like straight. And that damaged my hair. Like, my curls are literally just like in the past year starting to come back, and I've had to cut my hair a tremendous amount. Like, my hair used to be all the way to like my butt, and now it's like just passing my shoulders. So a lot of upkeep with my hair due to that, but overall it's a process. So I will see you in the next clip. So Blake's birthday is in a few weeks. His birthday is on February 19th, and he's gonna be turning 2. So we're thinking about getting him a recliner, and I think maybe like a spinny chair, maybe, because he freaking loves it. Like, he's on my boyfriend's computer chair, or our computer chair, and I'm spinning him, and just look at him. Look at him. Yeah! No, no. He loves it. Say cheese. Blake, say cheese. Say cheese. Oh. What are you doing? You look creepy. He does this weird thing where he keeps his eye on something, and then when you're spinning him, like, all you see is this. So funny. And I still haven't straightened my hair. I'm probably gonna wait for my boyfriend to come home and for me to put Blake to sleep so that I could do it in my room. That I use guys on a nice little tripod and straighten him up. So I'm just watching some YouTube videos right now, and it's 10 o'clock. Well, it's past 10. It's like 10:20, somewhere around there. And my boyfriend gets out of work like at 9. He works for like Spectrum. He does like installations and all that, and he's still not home. So I'm kind of like nervous. Like, he hasn't texted me or nothing. I called his phone. It went to voicemail. I'm like super worried right now. So I might just straighten my hair tomorrow, because I'm concerned at the moment. So I'll try to update you guys when he gets home. I'm like super worried. Like, I legit hope he's okay. So I'm about to take my makeup off and maybe, I guess, keep trying to get in contact with him. Like, I don't know. So it's the next day. My boyfriend was at a wild reserve things, putting internet with wild animals, so he almost got eaten, but he's okay. He's alive. He's home. And I'm not straightening my hair. I have my niece straightening my hair, because she's like a professional or whatever. Definitely. So I'll come back when my hair's all nice and straight. And then we're gonna go get my sister a birthday cake. I think we're gonna go to Price Chopper. And then we're gonna go drop it off at my mom's house, and we're just gonna wait for my sister to come because we're celebrating her birthday. So we did our makeup, our nails are done. I did her nails. You wanna show them? Nice. So now we're in a rush because now we gotta go to we gotta go get the cake. My mom needs me to be at her house at 6:30. And what else? Oh, and I gotta get my boyfriend Taco Bell since he's not going. So I gotta go. So we just got to Price Chopper slash Market 32. And I was gonna get an ice cream cake, but it's gonna melt by the time I get to my mom's house. So I'm just gonna get a regular marbled cake because who don't like marbled cake, you know? So we'll see.
Okay, just got the cake, guys. We're getting it written on there. I look good, girl. So yeah.
So yeah, you need to look at her nails again because they came out.
Oh yeah, hold this.
I
Look
did
how
that.
cute. My nail tech. She's not getting paid though. I'm kidding.
I'll be hooking her up.
How much do you want? How much did it come out to China? Doesn't mean $30 China.
20 and tips is optional. I always say that. Tips are optional because you don't want the customer to feel like they're obligated to tip you, but if you give them the option, they feel like, I think about it. Yes. You know, I endured a lot from this customer here of mine. You know, she's very picky. You don't have to tip.
I'm
It's
gonna be
optional.
her nail assistant.
Alright, so now we gotta rush to Taco Bell to get my boyfriend a whole meal. Yeah. So, okay, I used to work in Price Chopper in the bakery, and I used to write happy birthday, and I definitely could have did a better job, like never again. But this is what it looks like. She did a horrible job. I'm not satisfied. I should get the cake for free. Okay, so we just got to my mom's building. My sister's there already, so now we gotta try to sneak the cake in without her seeing. Yay. Love the struggle.
It's a spring concert every year.
Turn that on.
It's in August every year. She's not her way. She what? She's not her way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday, dear Erica. Happy birthday to you. 25 didn't feel so good. 25. Ooh, I don't like blowing when I feel like saliva because it's like.
Wait a minute.
So I'm like,
which part you don't want to blow?
mixing a candle. Oh no, I need saliva for.
Here's the birthday girl. She just turned 40.
If I turn 40, that means she turned 32.
Just kidding. She turned like 30, 34, 36, maybe. I don't know. Who knows? So I just left my sister's birthday party thing. On my way back home. I didn't stay long because everybody there's drinking and I'm driving, so I can't drink. And I'm pretty sure my son is home and he's awake, so practically on my way back home. So I'm back home and I got my sister a cake. We sang her happy birthday. I'm playing like hide and seek with Blake now, but I got her cake. We sang her happy birthday. Everybody else was drinking, so I just left. And yeah, I mean, today wasn't her birthday because today's the 24th, I believe. Her birthday was on the 21st, so we just celebrated on a Friday. So it was fun. And yeah, also you guys didn't see me straighten my hair because my niece straightened it for me, and I obviously didn't record it because I suck at vlogging. Hey, that's me. Boo. As you can see, he found me. So I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys thought about the vlog, or what are you guys doing today, or anything you want. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.